What's up guys, this is the Transformer Gundam and I'm going to be doing a video that's a little bit different from what I usually do. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but this time it is from a company called Alter Ego Running. Now if you don't know, one of the other things that I enjoy doing besides of course building Gunpla and collecting Transformers is running. I am really big into running. And another thing is I also really enjoy wearing hats. So a while back I came across this company called Alter Ego Running, which specializes in making these really cool looking running hats. And they're doing a ambassador program where you sign up for it and they will send you free stuff. Yeah, basically you just rep them, and that's basically what this is. So this is the Alter Ego Running Ambassador box. So this was sent to me for free. So as a disclaimer, I didn't pay for this. This was sent to me by Alter Ego Running. And I just wanted to show it off here. I have an idea on what's inside this box, but I don't really know what to expect. I mean, besides knowing what the items are. Now the way it works is apparently we are going to be split up into teams, and each team has a different color. So depending on which color hat I get is going to be associated with which team I'm with, and then there's going to be a bunch of like virtual activities and stuff that are going on that you do with your team, from the way I understand it to be. So anyways, let's get right into this. So here is the box. You get the Alter Ego Running logo here, and you get some really cool looking tape as well. There you go, Alter Ego Running tape there. Let's turn the box to this side here so I'm showing you my information. Here's the other side, Alter Ego Running. Here's this side, and that's basically it for the box. So let's crack this thing open and see what we get. So I'm very excited for this. So let's see here. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, here we go. So this is what it says here. It says, did we just become best friends? Built for all day wear, and designed to bring style to your sweat game. Your new Alter Ego Running apparel is ready to fly, and stay fly when you are. So there you go. That's pretty cool. And on the other side it says the same thing. So opening the rest of it up, there's the Instagram Alter Ego Running, so if you want to go check them out, there you go. And then on this side, what do we get here? Just the same thing. So here it is. So let's just pull the hat out, and ooh, I actually really like this color. This is sick. So there it is. There's the ambassador logo right there. So this is the color. I guess it's light blue, and then here's the inside of it. You get some very nice quotes here. You got this, just a little bit further. Remember tomorrow, one friend from the other. So there you go. Very cool looking hat. So let's just put this aside for now. Looks like there's something else in there as well. And then, let's put the camera down for a second and see what else we got here. Let's see, this is just a receipt basically showing what I ordered. So just covering this information here. We get Coaster Splash Ambassador Hat 2-pack. So there's that. Here's some nice Alter Ego Running packaging paper. And let's take a look at the hat itself. So apparently these are really good quality hats from what I've seen and heard. It's my first time actually getting one here. So here it is. Very nice. Let's just get this out of here. Ooh, dang. There it is. Looks very nice. So here's what the inside looks like here. Good little Alter Ego Running tag here. Let's remove this. Dang, awesome. So yeah, this thing's awesome. We get a little pocket in here. So, you know, if you ever need to store any small items while you're running, you can put it in here. This is a nice looking cap, very breathable looking. And there's the Alter Ego Running logo there. There's the Ambassador logo. And this is the, let me see what hat this is. This is the coaster hat. So they have different styles of hats on the website if you go check them out. So I feel like this is a pretty like standard hats, pretty popular. They do have other styles. So yeah, there's that. And it looks like we also get a Alter Ego Running sticker, so very nice. And then we get a pair of sunglasses, so let's check these out as well. So let's see. Ooh, very nice looking. All right, here we go. Nice. Check these out. Alter Ego Running. And we get the same blue as the hat. So I guess I'm on team blue. I don't know. I'll have to look again and see if it's like a light blue color. And then here's the shades. So very cool. So let me try this on and see how it all looks on me. Okay, here we go. Just ignore my hair. I do really need to get a haircut, but let's try the hat on. Nice, there it is. Fits really well. I did have to put it all the way to the smallest size for it to fit my head. This is the standard size. They do have a small, standard, and a large, I believe. So this is the standard size. Fits very nicely, and this feels super good on my head, and that looks really good. And then let's put the shades on as well. So there we go. Nice. Awesome. This is awesome. I'm very excited to start running in this thing and see how it feels on a run. And then here's just the shades without the hat. So very cool. Very awesome. There it is, Alter Ego Running. Go check them out. And I actually do have a discount code. So if you are interested in these running hats, you can use code CORMAC6, and that's CORMAC 6 for 20% off at the entire store, from what I believe. And I'll keep you guys updated as I know more about this ambassador program. But I'm very excited to be a part of this, and a very cool hat. This thing is awesome. So yeah, I can definitely see wearing this hat a lot out and about, especially while running. And yeah, so that's about it. So anyways, go check out Alter Ego Running. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.